What's up, guys? This is your boy Pedro, and I'm here once more with another video. And yo, this is a very cool video, and I'm here to talk about this device right here. This is a very neat device. Let me just first say this is a very neat device. So this is a mobile monitor. This is called the Shimbol CP5, and yo, I've been using this monitor for a couple days now, and I must say that yo, this monitor is pretty cool. Very easy to connect. Can connect with any phone, iPhone or Android. Yes, any one of them. So it's very easy to connect. And let me explain to you. You don't need any app, no app whatsoever. All you just need a feature that's on basically like every phone now called screen mirroring, and it comes with like a magnetic um feature. Like this is how you can actually mount it onto your phone. Doesn't seem like it's going to fall off. Yeah. Yeah, seems good. Seems doable. Turn this way. Yeah, seems very doable. Okay, so let me give you a breakdown of this monitor. On the side, you have the Shimbol logo along with the camera control button, along with the power button, and also the reset button. The reset button is really used to like reset to whichever device you're connected to. And below it, you have the Type C button where you charge it, a headphone jack, and a micro SD card, which I will explain to you later on in the video. So this is how I'm going to show you how to shoot amazing content with your iPhone, or well, I'm using an iPhone, with the iPhone 15 Pro Max or any other phone that you have. You get me? So this is how I will be shooting some of my mobile content, right? So basically, I have the small rig cage, right? And this is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let me just open the cage, right? So all I need to do is slide my phone in. Right, so once I slide my phone in, this is what it looks like, but I'm not shooting it where I'm seeing the phone screen, right? So this is how I'm going to shoot. I'm going to use the back camera. So this is going to be the ideal way to shoot content with your phone, because we all know that the back camera is the best camera. Yeah, no doubt. So here are some of the features. So it's a full HD, so not 4K, right? So the micro SD card slot that I mentioned earlier is really to record stuff on this monitor, but it doesn't record like the exact quality from the mobile device. It actually does a screen recording, right? Because it's not like it's actually transmitting um the ProRes file from off my iPhone to this device. So just letting you understand that, right? And yo, the distance is like 164 feet. Typically, you're not going to really use your phone like that. I don't know. I'm just saying 164 feet. And yo, so currently I have two methods of recording stuff, right? So technically, you know that with the iPhone 15 and beyond, you can actually record to an SSD. So I have the option to record internally if I want, or to the SSD. So my phone is actually connected, well, not connected to the SSD as yet, but I have the I have the Type C cable just in case. And outside of using the phone to connect to an SSD, I also have this small mic which is from Telesin I can actually connect audio to, right? So this is a Type C mic. If I do want to, connect a SSD to it, to my phone, if I don't want to connect an SSD to my phone, I can actually just connect it straight, right? So currently this is shooting Apolog ProRes HQ, right? And yes, I'm shooting internally if I want. So outside of having the option to shoot to an SSD, I also have the option to shoot internally and shoot where I can actually, record myself clean. And if I want to shoot to an SSD and record myself clean, this is where the AirPods come in handy. All right. So let me show you how this works right now. So I'm going to turn it on. Let me bear in mind this thing actually takes a while to turn on. So this is it. These things actually take a while to turn on. Waiting for it to turn on. Waiting. Da, 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 da. Yeah, this is it. Once you turn it on, you just, oh, this is operating like a red. Wow. All right. So all I need to do is just to connect my phone to this device, and it comes with a QR code and also a password and stuff like that, so you can easily just access this device pretty smoothly, seamlessly. So I'm just going to connect to the device right now. All right, so this is the setup. I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max and I'm recording straight to an SSD. Well, not yet. So let me click record, which is the middle button on top. Nice. So it is recording, right? But I getting a bit of lag on the screen while I recording. Not whoa, this is really lagging. I think it's because I'm using like screen this thing is actually looking really weird. Well, I have like 6 minutes leave on this SSD, but yo, what the hell wow. Would you believe that the app crashed on me? Let me try again. Oh, so I have like 2% on my iPhone right now. So yo, it actually looks good. And I can see everything on the screen, the battery percentage, like everything, like it looks pretty good, pretty decent, but it's very slow. But I think this is a really good setup. You get me? Really good setup, and I like how it looks. It looks pretty decent. Let me see if I can record the screen. And I'm recording the screen, and I'm recording on the phone as well. So, but the delay is very noticeable, right? So I don't know if you guys can work with that. You get me? I'm not sure if because the phone is dying, but yo, the delay is really noticeable. And I think in the manual which comes with it, I don't remember how long is that delay, how long that delay is, but yo, I'll sure to put it on the screen. Oh, the latency is 40 milliseconds. Yeah, so that's so the latency is for this, but yeah, this is it. This is the setup, right? Oh, actually turn on the screen. So this is the setup. This is what it looks like. I believe that this can actually work for people who wants to shoot YouTube content at home, right? So yeah. So guys, I think that's it. Yeah, the setup process is very easy, very easy, and also there's a Bluetooth trigger in focus that comes with it. So bear in mind to turn this on so you can pair with both but the device, so you can actually have a wireless trigger on it as well. But yo, I guess that is it. I need to see the playback though. I don't know what the playback is like, but yo, peace.